Hello guys, so for today's video we'll be teaching you how to unblock websites on a school Chromebook in 2023. Alright, so first off what you want to do is pull up on your Google Chrome, and then on the top right side you can see the settings option. Click on that, and then as you can see on the left section, the privacy and security option, click on that. And then under that, under privacy and security, you can see cookies and other data. Click on that, and then you can see allow cookies, all cookies. After clicking on that, go back, and then you can click on the clear browsing data, and then all time, and then make sure that you have clicked all the check boxes, and then click clear data. And then lastly, what you want to do is click on the security option, and then scroll down until you can see the advanced, like so. And then what you want to do is look for the manage device certificate. Click on that, and then as you can see here on the screenshot, click on the trusted root certificate tab, and then click on advanced button, and then make sure to click client authentication, and then lastly click OK. That's it. Thank you for watching.